Here is a list of the operators we have discussed so far in this tutorial series. Now, back in grade school, everyone learns about the order of operations used to solve mathematical equations. We were taught that mathematical equations are not always performed exactly from left to right. Sometimes certain operations within an equation should occur first, and if they are not, the solution will likely be incorrect. For example, let's look at the equation 2 plus 3 times 4 plus 3 times 5. If we solve left to right without paying attention to any order of operations, we have 2 plus 3, which is 5, times 4, which is 20, plus 3, which is 23, times 5, which is 115. However, if we solve the equation using the order of operations, multiplication takes precedence over addition. So first we would multiply 3 times 4, which gives us 12, then 3 times 5, which gives us 15, making the equation 2 plus 12 plus 15. And when we add these numbers, we get 29, which is the correct answer. With all that in mind, it is important to know and understand that Java operators also have an order of operations. In other words, certain operators have precedence over others, and the way in which we structure our Java expressions will affect the outcome. Now, the list we have here has all the operators we have covered in the order of their precedence, from highest to lowest. Meaning, if we have this expression here, a and b times b, the first evaluation will be a times b, and then the expression using the and operator will be evaluated. Similarly, if we have a or a times b minus c, first a times b will be evaluated, then c will be subtracted from the result of that, and finally the expression using the or operator will occur. We can force the ordering of evaluation by using parentheses. For instance, if we have a and a in parentheses times b, first a and a will be evaluated, and the result of this expression will be multiplied by b. Parentheses can be used in every case to control the order of execution. However, learning the precedence of Java operators is crucial, and knowing them will become second nature sooner than you think.